Okay, let me ask you this. What if I told you there's something that can actually replace laser hair removal, but it's sitting in your kitchen right now? Yeah, sounds kinda crazy, right? But stay with me. See, most people think the only way to stop hair growth is to burn it off with expensive lasers. I used to think the same, until I met this old lady at a herbal shop who told me something that completely flipped my mind. She said, "Honey, nature made the laser before humans did." And I was like, huh? So I tried what she told me. For weeks, I didn't understand what was happening. The hair didn't disappear, but something weird was going on. It got softer, lighter, and then something magical started happening. Every night, I'd mix 3 little bottles, one that smells sweet, one that's kinda bitter, and one that feels silky. I didn't even know why I was doing it. I just trusted her. And guess what? My razor started collecting dust. Literally. I didn't need it anymore. So yeah, that mix, it's what I call the natural laser alternative. Equal parts of sod oil, lupin oil, and rose oil. Mix them well, apply before bed every night, and let nature handle the rest. No pain, no machines, just patience and consistency. However, the hair must be removed from the roots before using it. And don't forget to check that one out. It's going to help you a lot.